Hello! In this video I will show you how to set up parental control on OnePlus Nord 4. So you have to start by opening your settings application, and then you have to scroll down and click on Google. Now click on Kids and Family and then click on Parental Controls, and then click on Let's do this. Now click on Sign in and choose Google. And here you have to enter your child email address. Then click Next. And now you have to enter your child password. And then click I agree. Now click on Accept. And now click on Supervise button. And then click Next. Here you have to enter your parent email address. Then click Next. And now you have to enter your password. Now you have to scroll all the way down, and here you have to enter your child password again. And now you have to click on Next. And then click on Allow. Then click on Next. And click Done. And as you can see, my parental control is now set up. So that's it for this video. If you liked it, please remember to leave a like and subscribe.